It is a beautiful fall morning in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm down in Whitehaven. This is 1624 Dolan. It's about to hit the market. This is a preview video. Check out this tree that we took down. It has to be a 100-year-old oak tree. You know, the big trees overhanging houses is one of the biggest things I look for when I'm buying a house and renovating it for you guys. So 2-car carport, brand new 30-year architectural shingle roof, mostly brick house. This is gonna be a more upscale rental in the Whitehaven area. Check out that tree. I just can't get over how big that tree was. It took a huge crane to get rid of that tree. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's gonna rent for $11.50 a month. And 2-car carport makes it very desirable for that higher end rental in the Whitehaven area. We get a lot of demand for higher square footage rentals in the Whitehaven area. They're just few and far between for us as investors because so many homeowners are buying in the Whitehaven area. There's special incentive programs for homeowners, interest rates are low, and this is where a lot of people in Memphis want to live. It's easy access to downtown near St. Jude, the courthouse, all the municipality jobs are downtown. If you work for the mayor or the city or county, good chance you could be downtown. So let's go in and take a look. As we come in, I want you to see these tile floors in the entryway. And you're gonna see it again in the breakfast area and kitchen. This house features some beautiful real hardwood floors. They're gonna get restained. Of course, that signature gray wall, white trim, nickel light fixtures throughout. So as I come from the living room into this area, it's a nice big dining area with that tile floor again. This is the 12 by 24 tile that's been real popular. And then it's got that pass through to the kitchen. I just think those are so neat. It takes me back to my childhood. As we walk into the kitchen, I'll give you a good shot of the kitchen there. We've painted the cabinets white. We've got those Formica countertops that look just like granite, a built-in oven, and vent hood over where the range will be. Refrigerator area right next to the sink here. And over my left shoulder, a nice big laundry room, which is very rare to find in these homes. Room for washer, dryer, refrigerator, deep freezer. So lots of good stuff. I'm gonna do a quick video today because we're still punching out this house. It's got about 2 weeks of work left in it. But gray walls, white trim, blinds on all the windows. And as we come through to the bedrooms, we'll be back on those hardwood floors. Not a stitch of carpet in this house. So bedroom number 1, 2, and then here's the master bedroom. Master bedroom is big enough for a king size bed, 2 nightstands and a dresser. And of course it has its own full bath. So you've got your stand-up shower, you've got a new commode, new vanity, and guess what? That same tile carrying your way into the master bath. Bedroom number 2 for the kids maybe. Plenty big for a queen size bed, 1 nightstand and a dresser, as well as bedroom number 3 here. New doorknobs, new hinges, new light switches, new AC vent covers, new HVAC. This house has had a complete makeover. 1624 Dolan. It's going to be about $120,000. Should be on the site by the end of this week. If you're looking for a cash flowing property in a B+ neighborhood, this would be the one for you. Thanks. Go to jameswalkup.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.